Welcome to LearnQ.ai. Today, we're diving into one of our most powerful features designed to help you ace your digital SAT, the diagnostic test. So let's get started. At LearnQ, we offer 3 diagnostic tests as part of our premium feature to help you gauge your readiness for the SAT. Here's how to begin. First, click on the diagnostic test from the menu, then read through the process you need to follow and select your test. The diagnostic test is a shorter 40-minute version of a full-length exam. Before you begin, carefully read the instructions to understand the test format and guidelines. When you're ready, click on Start to begin. The test consists of 2 sections, first reading and writing and then math. In the top left corner, you'll see the subject and the module displayed along with the direction for the test. The top right corner displays a time clock to help you manage your time effectively during the test. Now, for security reasons, the app enters full screen mode during the test, blocking access to other apps and programs. If you exit full screen, you'll have to restart the test. Also, the right-click functionality is disabled throughout the test to ensure test integrity. Now, it's extremely important that you begin your LearnQ journey with a diagnostic test. This helps the AI assess your current abilities, identify areas for improvement, and also build a personalized learning experience and study plan for you. Before finishing a module, utilize the review page to revisit answers and flagged questions. Our diagnostic test is one of the most prominent and efficient out there. The test pattern mirrors the actual digital SAT, including question formats, concept flow, and even repeated questions. This gives you a true-to-life preview and enhances your readiness for the digital SAT exam. Plus, you'll get a mandatory 10-minute break before starting a new section. For the math section, you have access to a web-based calculator and formulas for key concepts. One of our standout features is the adaptive module. If you score lower on the first half of the test, the second half will feature easier questions. This adaptive approach helps gauge your true understanding and adjust the difficulty accordingly. LearnQ also provides you the flexibility to take the diagnostic test anytime, anywhere. It fits conveniently into your schedule. By utilizing adaptive questioning and mirroring the actual SAT format, our diagnostic test ensures personalized learning experience and targeted preparation for optimal results. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey with LearnQ.ai today and ace your digital SAT. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe and join our Discord community from the link in description for more SAT tips.